And before I get to doing all the other stuff, I'm going to actually open up my advent calendar. So we're going to do Sadie stickers first. So here's day number 3. I'm going to try to make this quick since I have to do a few of them. Okay. Can I get it out? Come on, we're wasting valuable story space. Oh, okay. So it's like a, oh. So it has on here bookmark, money clip, or card organizer. And this is what it looks like. This is cute. It's magnetic, so it like snaps right back together. So that's day 3. And then day 4. By the time I finish opening this, the story is going to be over. So I'll be starting another one. All right. It's a kit. This is beautiful. It says celebrate the little things. Okay. Now I think I done changed my mind. And this is going to be my birthday kit. It has champagne. Love that. Macaroons. Love that. Cake. Love that. Flowers. Love that. Gifts. Love that. So cute. This is called Little Things. This is the second page. Super cute. Here's the third page. Ooh, the bottom washi is so pretty. You guys see that? That's so cute. This may be my birthday kit now. And what's crazy is it's not even rose gold, y'all, but I may make this my birthday kit. So that's day number. Now on to Letters to Apollo. Okay, day 3. Let's see what we got. Ooh, ooh, ooh. We got like dividers. All right, let me get into this. Ooh, these are pretty. So it kind of reminds you of like the mandalas. It's just not a full circle. That's pretty. So that's silver. That's rose. And that's gold. That's so pretty. So here are the 3. You guys can kind of see the colors a little bit there. That's super cute. All right. Oh, and you got the little butterflies down there. You guys see that? It's like a little butterfly. That's so cute. All right. Day 4. Day 4 feels like a notepad or something of the sort. I think I was right. Oh, yes. This is cute. So it's like a weekly pad. So you got this week, then Monday to Wednesday, Thursday to Friday. You see how thick it is. Super cute. I like this. So it's like you can kind of pre-plan your week out. And you see the checklist, it's freaking butterflies. I'm never using this. I'm going to hoard it. I'm going to hoard it. Or one thing I may do, I may get a couple of sheets laminated so I can keep them forever. So when I do use them, you know. But yeah, this is day number 4 from Letters to Apollo. All right, last but not least is Giving Girl. Here's day number 15. Ooh. All right, so we got some page flags. So you have this one here. There you go. So that's like it's like a nude color. And then this is like a pink nude color. Super cute. And I like how the shapes are. Super cute. Ooh. So we have lace deco variety number 1. Well, this is number 1. Does that mean we have more? All right, so that's rose gold, super cute, and you got like a couple of different styles. That's silver, and that's gold, which is cute because, yeah, like I was saying, these will probably be great for when you want to decorate like your date covers. So that's super cute. So now day 16. So day 16, we have hanging frame boxes. This is so pretty. Oh my gosh. It's in that same colorway that all the other ones have been in. Here's silver. This is on her matte white paper. And here's gold. That's so pretty. These would be so cute. So stinking cute. Especially like in your monthly section. Like to mark, if you had like a certain thing you wanted to mark and you had to mark it a few times. Using these like to keep it cohesive would be so cute. So